Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Let's start with you, Chad. Talk a bit about Newr. If folks are just hearing about this for the very first time, what is this fantastic product?
Yeah, so we're a startup out of Indianapolis. And so we basically have decided we're going to reinvent fire. And so we're going to take an old antiquated kind of commonplace problem. Right now we're starting with cooking. So we've got a chef here, which is our battery-powered induction stove, fully controlled by our smartphone app. So, lights on, different power settings. So you can adjust the different power settings, zone control. It's great for boats, camping, RVs, tailgating, anything you want to do, hotels, pretty much any place you want to go and have something that's a fully functioning stove without the requirement for plugs or any of that stuff.
It comes in a pretty nice size here too. Easy to carry that around if you're packing.
Yeah, this is our suitcase.
Okay.
So to play on the chef, it's SOUS case.
Yeah, perfect.
So that's our carry case for chef.
When you guys sat down and said, okay, we have a goal, and it's, like we said, a lofty one. We're going to reinvent how fire is done, how cooking is done.
Yep.
How did this whole thing come about, and what does it take to get a product like this to the point where we are standing here today ready to rock for everybody?
It's a journey for sure. So I was standing at we have a glass top at our house, and I was standing there, and we've melted many a microwave covers, smoked rags.
Yeah.
I've got 4 kids, so they've burnt some fingerprints off. And I'm like, why can't we just put this away when we don't need it? It's a bunch of countertop space that we normally use for baked goods, pans, whatever. And then where I'm standing, I can look out the side window and see our gas grill. And it's like, well, that's the same as this, but it's like that's stuck outside and this is stuck in here. So it's like I need something that's portable, has all the functionality of both of those. So that's why we decided to do this, and it's battery powered, so you can take it wherever you want. It's water resistant, so being outdoors doesn't matter. It's induction, so if it's windy, doesn't care. So it's just it's cook freely, so you can cook anywhere you want.
When you see photos that people share with you using this out on the water or out at some fantastic vacation that maybe the family has planned for years and years, and this is finally the chance to do it, and they bring this with them, they bring the Newr. What are those moments like for you and the team that worked so hard to bring this conception to reality?
It's kind of like letting somebody borrow one of my kids, giving it out, and it's like I've put so much into it. I mean, so I'm the inventor, I'm the technician, I'm the janitor, it's like I'm everything right now. We're a small team, so yeah, I mean, it's really like kind of loaning out one of my kids basically.
Yeah.
So, but it's amazing. I mean, seeing it here, using it, my wife loves using it. I mean, it's just it's seeing a kid grow up basically from a idea to paper to physical parts that you can use and other people can use and enjoy.
It's such a cool story. We know people are going to come check out Newr here at the boat show. Thanks for chatting with us, Chad.
Thank you.